Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily, and in today's video I will be sharing how I put this cute Steamboat Willie gift box together. So I cut all of the pieces and then I followed the score lines with my fingers and just pressed it until I got this nice creasing. And then I used my bone folder to reinforce all of those lines, so I really got a crisp line to follow. I put a bottom to the box at one of the sides, and then I took one of the other sides. You can see you will have two with a fold and two with Steamboat Willie at the top. So here you go. I'm just attaching the sides halfway up. So when the crease line is coming, I will not start by attaching that. I will hold off and wait until I have assembled all of the other sides, because then I know exactly which height everything is gonna come in and I can carefully attach it. I also find it helpful to use my bone folder just to press the glue in place, and I'm using liquid glue. If you would use hot glue, you probably would have an easier time sometimes. I'm not always friend with my hot gluing gun. I burn myself, and sometimes I'm not fast enough, and if I want to change something it's kind of too late. So I need to practice more using it, because I think with occasions like this it would be super helpful. But I am a real fan of the Nouveau gun here, so I really use that a lot. For the decoration part, I use some pattern paper from Scrap Diva's latest collection. I'm so in love with all of the color choices. It's really my color palette, and I love this floral that I use for my rosette. By the way, this is the Steamboat Willie rosette, so it's one of the newer ones, and I will attach two of them together. You can see I have done it here for the video, and then I will attach the last piece here, and I will just hold it with my fingers until it grabs onto the paper itself. For making this attach, I actually in the end pull out my hot glue because I couldn't make this work by just using my like cold glue. So you can see here I punched out two circles. I will attach some glue. Liquid glue would be my preferred one for doing this, and then I can just hold it with my finger and just make sure that it's pretty. So I actually went back off camera and made up with hot glue, and you can see my rosette is finished with that beautiful doily. Really cute. There is also in this collection these beautiful Steamboat Willie heart hands. So this is the smaller size. There is two different sizes in this release, and there is also Steamboat Willie the boy and the girl version, and I did both of them in a combination of solid cardstock in the coordinating colors from the cardstock pack, as well as some actual pattern paper for the girl's skirt. So I enjoyed playing with that and attaching these, and I think you can come up with so many different ways to dress these guys up. I would love to revisit this set and maybe make the girl have an actual skirt in fabric. I think that would be really cute. And I'm also thinking of cutting away the little flower in her, by her ear. Yeah, so I will definitely be back playing with those some more. For the top here, you can say I just use a clip for attaching it together. And for my little rosette here, I just put a sentiment. This comes from that stamp set with the different mixed greetings. I really like it. Best mix ever, and I was thinking of putting candy in this one and giving it to my husband. He is a really sucker for Swedish candy. I also created this boombox, but it didn't end up on this project, but the hands will. So cute, I love that. I will also say that I will use some foam for my project. You can definitely attach it with some liquid glue, hot glue, whatever you would like. But I really like that, so I used a lot of it. So here is an overview of the project. You can see here that in the back of this there is another sheet if you're gonna make this box, so don't worry, all of the pieces are there. And then for the rosette, here is how that set looks. There is a small and a large one. I used the smaller one for this one. And you will also see here is that doily, swirly doily, I think it's called. And I used the smallest one for that. And the sentiment here is so cute. And you can see I also attached a little dangle to the top of my clip. And the hands, here is that set. You can see there is a bigger one as well. And for my little cute characters here, I used those boy and girl version of Steamboat Willie. So I hope you enjoyed this. I will now give you a peek into the box so you can see how much space there is in there. There is a ton. You can definitely fill this up with a lot of candy. I think Andreas will really like that. So I'm just fighting with my dangle there. So that pretty much finished off my video for today. I hope you got inspired to create something. I will have links down below, and I also have a coupon code for 10% if you are shopping at Scrap Diva's shop. I don't believe that the paper is included in that sort of deal, or the bundles, but everything else should be 10% off if you use my coupon code. Make sure when you're checking out so that is correct. So thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you have a great day, and until next time, have a great weekend. Bye guys!